The Economic Offences Cell of Goa Police has registered an FIR against two Pune-based companies, Soil Properties and Infra India Ltd and Soil Properties and Estate India Ltd for allegedly cheating several Goan investors to the tune of around 7 crore rupees on the pretext of providing higher interest returns on fixed deposit and recurring deposit schemes. The accused companies were operating in Goa from an office at Patto, Panaji. During the investigation, the EOC has found that between the year 2014 and 2019, the two accused companies, through their chairman, directors, and other officials, lured the investors to invest in long-term fixed and recurring deposit schemes, promising higher returns than regular banking rates. Trusting the accused companies, investors invested their hard-earned money in these schemes. However, before the maturity period of the promised schemes, the accused companies shut down their branch and their officials absconded. Investigation has revealed that the accused companies and their officials have misappropriated the investors' money. An FIR has been registered under the relevant sections of the Indian Penal Code and the Goa Protection of Interest of Depositors in Financial Establishments Act. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.